Hello, my name is Marie and I live in California, and I started using Winona about 3-4 months ago. And I have to say that since then I'm a lot calmer, and I used to get a lot of hot flashes and start feeling really bad, and I was getting so irritated and having these hot flashes and sweating and so on. So now that's completely disappeared. I would say it took maybe 3 weeks to really start, fully acting on. Uh, so I'm so happy I don't have those issues anymore, and I have much longer, deeper sleep, and I don't have any more night sweats. I used to wake up all of a sudden totally sweating and feeling bad, so that's gone as well. So I'm so happy. It's giving me some peace of mind and much calmer. So I'm very happy since I've been using Winona, and I really recommend it to all the ladies out there that are having these menopause issues.